welcome to Chef Mara's kitchen, and today guys I want us to learn how to milk a cow. Do you know how to milk a cow? What time do you milk your cow? Can you comment down below? I want to bring you along as I learn how to milk a cow in the village. Come, let's go. Tunabembeleza ng'ombe kwa we wash our hands.
Then we gas the cow
With hot water. Warm water. To kill germs and to make them titties have a lot of milk. We've tied the cow's legs so that it doesn't kick the milk. And with us here we have some milking gel to lubricate them titties. So just make sure your hands are clean. The cow is calm and well secured. Then we massage it a little bit. We just take a bit of some milking gel. For this cow. This thing is hard. It's not as easy as it looks. They left the calf suck some milk, so now the cow has no milk. We are learning this is work. Shout out to all farmers out there who do this work. And just like that guys, I've learned how to milk a cow. It is hard. It's not easy, but it's something enjoyable. So we've had some little milk because the calf was let to suckle. So there was not enough milk for us, but this is enough to make some tea. So we've let the cow go to feed. Bye cow, thank you for your milk.